How many chicken patties can I eat without puking? Let's find out. Cheers. We have 20 chicken patties coming in at just over 5,000 calories. And I'm excited because today we get to answer the age-old question of what's better, chicken patties or chicken nuggets? It's official, guys. I've been converted to a sauce guy. Let's sauce it up. Don't worry, Ranch Squad. I see your comments already. I'll represent for you guys as well. You know, I gotta be honest, I thought that chicken nuggets was gonna be the clear choice here. I was kind of hoping chicken patties would do well. They are like the underdog, you know? But truthfully, they're holding their own. It's not as clear cut as I thought it was gonna be. They might actually take it. About halfway there, and these are still surprisingly tasting really good. Like, I'm excited for this second half. If you have any suggestions for what I should eat next, please leave it in the comments. Just keep in mind, I am vegan. Oh, I'm getting full, guys. I don't know. Oh, man. You better like the video if I finish, because I am so full. Down to the final 3. This is getting close, guys. I really think I gotta call it. Oh, man. Time for our favorite game, where you guys will put in your guesses as to which chicken patty is going to be eaten last. I will number them now. This is 1, this is 2. Which chicken patty will get eaten last? The correct answer is... chicken patty 2 will get eliminated last. Congratulations, you winners. Last bite. What a shame. Let's dive right into the review. Honestly, better than I was expecting. Like I said before, I thought the nugs were going to be leagues better than the patties. But to be honest, I'd say they were in the same league. Slightly worse, but same tier. Very good indeed. Well, thanks for joining me for dinner. That was really fun. Hopefully you join me next time as well. Love you all.